English Bridge, Real Easy English, Episode 2, talking about food. Hello and welcome to Real Easy English from English Bridge. I'm Beth.
And I'm Neil. In this podcast, we have real conversations in clear, simple English to help you understand and speak more naturally.
That's right. And if you'd like to read along while you listen, you can visit our website, englishbridge.com, and find the full transcript and vocabulary list.
Perfect. So, Beth, what are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about something everyone loves, food.
Today, we're talking about something everyone loves, food.
So, in today's episode, we'll talk about our favorite foods and also how often we eat them.
Right. How often is an important phrase. But before we start, Beth, what does how often actually mean?
Good question. How often means how many times something happens.
Okay.
For example, we might eat our favorite food every week or every day. And if we really love it, we might even eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Every meal? That's serious food love?
Definitely. So, Neil, what is your favorite food?
That's a difficult question. I like a lot of different things, but I think I'd say I really like fish.
Me too. I love fish.
What about you, Beth? What's your favorite?
I think I'd say seafood. I really love anything that comes from the sea. So, prawns, squid, mussels, all of it.
Wow, nice. So how often do you eat seafood?
Not very often, actually. I usually have it when I'm on holiday, or sometimes when I go to a restaurant. But I don't cook seafood at home.
Really? Why not?
It's a bit expensive, and I don't always know how to cook it properly.
Fair enough. I probably eat fish a few times a week, maybe 2 or 3 times. We eat a lot of fish at home.
Oh, that's quite a lot.
Okay, we've talked about foods we love, but what about foods we don't love? What's your least favorite food, Beth?
Ooh, that's easy. I absolutely hate baked beans.
You hate baked beans?
Yes, I think they're disgusting. Even the smell makes me feel a bit sick.
Wow, that's a strong opinion. But beans on toast is a classic.
I know, it's a British classic, but still not for me.
So we've talked about food we love and food we hate. What do you usually cook at home during a normal week?
I cook a lot of international food. Sometimes I make Indian curries, sometimes Italian pasta, or even Spanish dishes.
That sounds delicious. We're the same. We also eat food from lots of different countries.
I think these days people in the UK eat a mix of everything.
Yeah, definitely.
But I have to say, I usually cook a lot of pasta and rice at home, mostly because they're quick and easy to cook after work.
That makes sense. Pasta and rice are always good choices. So, Beth, you said you generally cook pasta or rice. What exactly does generally mean?
Good question. Generally, usually, and normally all mean the same thing. They describe habits or things we do often.
So, like something we do most of the time?
Exactly. For example, if I say, I generally cook pasta or rice, that means I do it maybe 5 times a week.
So, not every day, but most days.
Right.
What about sometimes?
Sometimes means less often, maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Got it. So, for example, I sometimes cook fish, maybe twice a week.
Yes, perfect.
You said earlier that you hate baked beans. So, do you ever eat them?
Never, I can't stand them.
Never ever?
Never ever, I never eat baked beans.
I still can't believe that. Okay, let's quickly recap the new vocabulary we've talked about today.
Great idea. So we learned often. That means we do something a lot.
Right, and we learned how often, which means how many times.
We also talked about usually, normally, and generally, all for habits or regular activities.
And sometimes, for things we do a little but not often.
And of course, never you're for things we don't do at all, like baked beans, Neil.
Yes, exactly. Like baked beans, Beth? Yes, exactly. Like baked beans, Beth? You know, beans on toast really is a British classic.
I know, everyone eats it, except me.
It's cheap, easy, and filling.
True, but it's just not for me. So, Neil, we've talked about the foods we like, the foods we don't like, and how often we eat them.
Yep. And we've also looked at some really useful English words and phrases to talk about habits and routines.
That's right. Let's do a quick summary of what we've learned today. We learned that how often means how many times something happens.
We also learned the main frequency words. Often, many times. Usually, normally, generally, most of the time. Sometimes, occasionally. Never, not at all.
We practiced using the present simple tense to talk about habits. For example, I usually cook pasta. I sometimes eat fish. I never eat baked beans.
And we learned how to use these adverbs correctly in a sentence. Before the main verb and after to be.
Yes, and we also learned that it's okay to have strong opinions about food. Just remember to say them politely. Thanks for listening to Real Easy English from English Bridge.
You can visit our website, englishbridge.com, for activities, vocabulary practice, and more lessons to help you improve your English.
Next week, we'll be talking about our friends.
That should be fun.
Definitely. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.